Hey there, students. Another quick tutorial for you on the future tense. In English, if you want to talk about the future, there are actually three ways of using a certain verb to express something you want to do in the future. And in English language, it's important to make these differences and see these differences. Now, there are three ways to do it. The first one is you take the word will, or when you're negative, you go will not, plus the full verb. So, for instance, I will buy some flowers, or I will not buy some flowers. I will talk to him later. I will not talk to him later. So we have the word will plus not, negative, plus the full verb. The second one is to be plus going to. For instance, I am is a form of to be. I am going to play a game later. The third one is to be plus the verb plus ing, which we call the present continuous. I am, a form of to be. I am, play, the verb, plus ing. I am playing tennis at 4 p.m. So that's in the afternoon, 4 p.m. Now, if you go to the book will also tell you a little bit about the future forms on page 140. And if you go all the way here, it will explain to you when to use will. So number 1. When to use number 2, to be going to, right there. And also the third one, the present continuous for the future. Yeah, which is the third one. Will is used, as it says number 1 here, to express a future intention made at the moment of speaking. So someone is talking to you, and you're talking back to someone, and someone says something. For instance, it's Jane's birthday, and you're like, oh, no, really? Is it Jane's birthday? I forgot all about it. And then, while talking, you're going to say something. You're going to tell someone that you're about to do something. So because it's Jane's birthday, you will buy her a present, or you will buy her flowers. So you're going to say, hey, oh, wow, I'll buy her some flowers. So at the moment of speaking, when you're talking to someone, you're talking about an action that you're going to do in the future. Yeah. And then the same goes for an offer, which also often takes place when you're speaking to someone. So someone says, oh, boy, this suitcase is very heavy. And then while speaking, you're making an offer and you say, I'll carry it for you. Or someone says, we'll do the washing up. So someone says, boy, there's so much washing up to do. Don't worry, we'll do the washing up for you. Yeah, so it's at the moment of speaking as well. Then here, it also talks about a future fact. It's important to recognize that what they're talking about facts here, not actions. So feiten en geen acties. So when something is really a clear fact, for instance, that it's your birthday next week, you can say, I'll be 12 or I'll be 13 next week. Yeah. Going to is something that is used here, if you look, not for a future fact, but for a future action, something that is really certain that it will happen in the future. So you're looking outside, you get your great clouds going, and then you can say, look at the clouds, it's going to rain. Yeah, look at this plane ticket, I'm going to America tomorrow. Yeah, and here as well, someone sees you touching the vase, and then someone can say, be careful there, you might drop it. You're going to drop it. So going to is used for an action, not a fact, but an action that is certain to happen in the future. Yeah. And then the last one is here, present continuous. And that one really is used for something that is going to take place in the very near future. Yeah, to express a planned future arrangement, and that one is in the near future. So when you're saying I'm playing tennis at 4 p.m., it's in the very near future, nabije toekomst. Because it's so near, that's why you use this one. So you've got yourself an arrangement, you've talked to your cousin, and you're saying, okay, lunch today is at 12. I am meeting my cousin for lunch later. Yeah, today it's Friday, so what are you doing this weekend, near future? Tonight we are having a party. Not we're going to have a party, but we're having a party near future, and it's going to take place later today. Yeah. Do notice that if you use the word going, and you want to use for instance, you want to use the second one, so to be going to, and you have to use the word go, then you're not going to say, I am going to go home. I am going to go to America. Then you will just say, I am going to. Yeah, you don't have to use the words go and come twice. So with these, you also use the present continuous. You're not going to go twice. Yeah. Okay, so that's all about the future. and the differences between the two. And also, make sure you go over your own grammar notes and also this page. And if you have any questions, you know where to find me. All right, bye bye.